Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing the OLM Alpha HD bulbs. This is so they match my fog light bezels, so they're white, just like the bezels. Should be a pretty easy install. So here's what's inside. Nobody ever reads this. And just the bulbs. Should be just plug and play, pretty simple. So let's go ahead and get started.
Popped open.
No, but that might work.
Because I don't, these clips never make fucking sense. Like, I wish it was simple, like you push it down and pull out, but it never seems to be the case of it being like that. You're supposed to just push this button in and pull the fucking clip out. I don't fucking get it. Oh, got it. I get it.
Alright, first we're going to start off by unplugging this wire right here. Push the top of it down and pull it off. Now we're going to try to twist this. Alright, so I twisted it, to my left, this way. So grab it, twist this way, and then comes right out. That's the old one. Put on the new one. See how these have like three, what would you call it? 3 male ends. It's the same thing in there. You could only put it in, I guess, one way, and then you twist it just like you took off the other one. Just do the opposite. And now we're gonna plug this in to right here. Now for the other side, we're going to be removing this little snorkel, which you can see are these 2 clips right here. Once those are removed, you'll have access to the back right here to go ahead and unclip that. This right here. So it came with some double-sided tape, so I decided to put the box right there, and then the other one right down there. I cleaned it off first with a paper towel so that it stuck there good.